Hi guys! So we're now at school and time check. Time is your phone.
My phone is on bed.
Well, it's like 6 now and we're going. This is our fit. That's Chloe's Search Voice and this line. And yeah. See you Baguio! See you Korea! See you ay Korea pala. My bad. Iba pala kami ng destination.
Nasa airport lang kami.
Yes, so we're now, yeah. Let's go! Si Kiss! Yes!
Hello! Ito lang na. Yun daw. Tapos yung grabe parang mag-hide.
And then, I have my water and my extra shirt. Tapos may outfit ako sa ilalim. Yan.
Style to.
Tatlo yan. Tatlo yan. Black, tapos maroon. 3 layers yan.
Kasi malamig talaga sa Korea.
Kasi we're actually going to South Korea today. Seoul to be exact.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
it's really cold.
Look at the Korean is all is here already. And with us.
Oh, I'm Chinese.
Where's
And the
Ivan?
Spanish is here on. Say hi to the silver vlog.
Where's Ivan?
Nasa CR.
I'm very excited to, of course, explore the world. Yes!
We're
The
gonna
Indian, not here pa, the Indian. Destination. Yeah.
We're all here just waiting for the Indian.
What about the other one?
Oh, she's like
Pakistan. Indian, Pakistan talaga. Ay, yun talaga. I'm
a lot of
planning.
buildings in Dubai. We're gonna
So
go
where are we right now? We're in the Philippines.
We just
We're in the
started.
airport.
Oh yeah.
So there's a lot of people here. Oh yeah, there's the boys. There's the boys.
Hey, say hi to the vlog. Where country are you from? Siguro hindi ka naligo.
May cancer po kasi ako.
Oh, he's black.
May cancer kasi ako. May cancer kasi ako. ngayon.
What about Chris? He's from South Africa.
May cancer kasi ako.
Hi.
Ano na yun? Nakaiwan na yun.
Hi guys, so dito na yung mga ano.
Walang iwakan ba
Hey, ano siya? Thai, di ba? Thai girl.
Indian nga sa nakapos.
Ito, si Yana.
Sino mo Pakistan?
Huwag naman Pakistan. Ano pa ba? Australia. On the way to South Korea. Our first destination. So, yeah. Video yun ba? I'm so excited. Oh, go! Hi guys! We're on the way na. Papuntang Korea.
We're gonna go to our airplane now.
Yes.
Airplane mode.
Airplane mode on.
Airplane mode on.
A day in the life. Super perpetual life. Field trip edition! Hi, so we're in the airport now.
On the way now. It's very cold, you know. Look at the water.
Guys, ito yung iniinta ko itong katabi ko ang iniyon.
Nakatulog ba?
By Philippines. Hi, Manila.
Excited, hindi na nakatulog. Pero
Hey,
okay
guys,
lang walang tulog, tama ba? Tama. Okay lang kung walang tulog.
Tumayo ka, Kiss. Gusto mo malipag ba? Para ka naman namin. Para bulati. Oh, bagas hindi ko lang suka. Sinigang siya ni Chloe ka. Beach black, lumilay ng body. Nakatay sa doon.
Hindi na kita eh.
kami sa...
Where are we? Parang wala rin.
In the fucking smelly ass shit.
Diba? Ito pa oh. Pedro Abad Santos.
Aya fighting.
Sila tayo wala. Sir, day tayo.
Ito na yan. Ay, sorry. So, ito guys. Kami na late. So, kasama namin yung mga boys.
Tandaan nyo, baka
Ex ko yan eh. Oh, ex mo yan? Francisco Carriedo. So, anong weight nyo guys? 0. Napunta na namin ito nung nasa CA kami. Kiss noon na ka.
Ano talaga?
Nakatuloy sa vlog. Take ka ba?
Pogi mo naman.
Guys, it's so freaking...
Pwede lang gumawa
It smells so good.
Smells so good though.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oo, yung us after. Super nakakahilo, guys.
Bigyan niyo ako guys. Aww.
Sino may gusto ng cupcake? Super hot.
Ay, hindi. Ano yung naman yung kinakamay-kamay niya
Like, we really need...
What is this place?
Say hi!
Hi!
Hi vlog.
Bako ni Elaine.
Ay!
Si Elaine ba yung mabaho doon?
Hininga mo yun.
Mabaho kasi yung
Guys, we're
stock
gonna
po
eat.
doon sa water, stock na water doon sa El Deposito is, ano na talaga, stock na,
Our
no?
favorite.
So, hindi natin malinis yung andun po. But before, noong unang panahon, ang El Deposito po or water reservoir, siya po ang nagsusupply ng water sa buong
Hi, guys! Hi! Ito na.
Dami.
We're gonna go inside.
Hoy, bakit ko? Gano'n iniip.
Sorry, one more. Guys, nasa mall kami. Ano, tapos tayo.
San pila ko?
Ito.
Okay, sige po, yung next class. Pili na po tayo, boys and girls.
We're going inside.
Going inside.
Ay, hindi na-admire yan.
More than 1,000 species of amphibians.
Guys, you can see us.
Sa daas ka, pag daas ka, patry nga.
Yes.
Nandiyan yung mata.
Ay, lapit naman. Ayaw na mag-video. Sira yung camera.
Na po na ba? 7. Pwede na po kayo bumaba na.
Oh my God, I'm so hot! This is Star City. Yay! This is our first time. Star City, bro. Star City is our first. I think I'm unsure right now. I don't know. Oh, ano guys? Gusto ko dun, no? Sa surf dance. Saan tayo? Dito, dito. Ay, Vikings na tayo. Guys, this is our... Wait, agad! Hi, guys! So, kamusta? Kamusta?
Ay, salamin ko.
Kamusta?
Sa ulo.
Kakahilo mo. Kamusta? Okay lang. Busy. Pero saan tayo? Kasi lahat.
Siguro ba ang sa kubo?
Oo,
Sigla ako naman. May sakit ka sa taga. Sumigaw ah.
Akala ko, tagilig lang.
So, kamusta? Kamusta yung ride?
Wala, gago, tumatawa lang ako.
Tara, next. So, guys, we're on our way to the next ride. Yeah, hindi siya nakatakot. It was like,
Nakakahilo lang siya.
it's like, rate the ride, rate the frisbee.
Mamaya pa ata yung
Ano, 10 over 10 yung dual. Yeah, for real.
10 over 10. 10 over 10. Sakit sa ulo. 10 over 10. Nakakahilo.
10 over 10 because it's nice and no.
I want this one.
Gusto ko ba
This one.
Ba kayo?
Hi guys! So, ang basic lang. Ang basic nga lang. 0 out of 10. Yeah. Hindi ba na 8 lang?
No, 6 over 10.
Pero ba siya? Hindi ako makasuha. Nasakit na yung lalabas na ako. Hi guys! So, this is our third ride. Wala pa rin sila. Find them. Nasa kanila yung bag natin.
Yung cellphone ko nandun.
We're still gonna ride that. Kasi we won't waste our time.
Yes, enjoy lang.
Hi guys! So, dito na kami! Say hi to the vlog! Ito. Yay!
Bakit ka
Hi!
Ay, bakit parang sa ano? Medyo lang.
I love riding.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am so much.
Si Ata B.
Going back to Honolulu just to get there. The Maui Wowie. The Maui Wowie. Going, nahihilo na kami guys! Nakapagod guys, nakakahilo din. Hi guys, so we're so tired na. Paupo na kami sa
Katabilog naman ako.
We're now gonna ride sa tawag dito? Bangkar! Hey guys, kami na. Ride! Next guys, oh my god, walang kapaguran talaga. Yes!
Kahit ano, nantok ka na sa rides.
Andun si Lucky sa harap. Hehe. Guys, we're wet, but we're not that wet. Hi guys, hindi na kami sumama sa
We bought this instead.
Yay! Guys, we're gonna try Gabi ng Lagim. Guys, lalagyan ng Gabi ng Lagim is like really scary.
Yeah, with your friends.
Yeah. No, like if
This is the end of the vlog.
Yes.
352 not worth it, guys.
Bye-bye.
That shit could have been 352. Literally 1.5 only.
Ano diyan?
Yung-
Sumuka ka na?
Yung field trip.
Worth it ba ng 3.5? No.
Hindi. Scam, what a scam, bro.
Yeah, right.
Perpetual, bro.
The way home.
Wala pa si Kuya daw. Wala daw si Kuya bukas.
Maliliit.